Hello and welcome दोस्तों, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel PDF for Gyan. So this is the most requested video from all the students who are preparing for Accenture interviews. Like they have told me like bhaiya please tell about the how should we give the introduction to our interviewer, the intro like a project description, how to tell the HR question to the interviewer, all the things like I want to cover in this video, and this is the most requested video. So you must watch this video till the end of the point of this video so that you can get all the things that I am telling to you. So firstly, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friend who needed the most of this video. So let's start this video. Firstly, how to prepare the introduction. Like in introduction, you have to firstly tell the name of your viewers. After that, tell what project or like what languages you have done. Like you can tell like my name is Tilak Sanjay Busare and I have done languages like C++, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, data structure, like that. After that, you have to tell the projects you have done. Like if you have done some academic and non-academic project, please tell in that manner. Like I will take a demo. Like sir, I have done 3 projects out of which one is my final year academic projects and 2 are non-academic final year projects. So in that manner you have to tell. And after that, tell me the brief description of your project. Like your first project, like you have built a final academic projects, like you have used Android Studio and like languages like XML, Java, and some database like database. Okay, and short description, like you are giving introduction, so no need to give a longer description. And after that, tell me like in short, like I have work upon the database for this project. Okay, fine. After that, your 2 minor project, give a short description like how it, what is the name of the project, what you have done, like all that. After that, tell some extracurricular activities like if you like I am a Google Cloud Study Jam participant, Inter-College Smart India Hackathon winner, like that achievements you have done in your college life during your academics, you have to tell that. After that, tell the hobbies, like what you have done. Like I like content creation, I like to content editing, video editing, thumbnail creating, all the things I like. So you can give the introduction in that manner. You can prepare your own introduction. Please, your introduction should be distinguished from all the people who are giving like interviews. So if you are like on campus, like you have given on campus, preparing for on campus Accenture, so you must prepare your introduction in a very well manner. So it should be different from all the others. Like taking interviews and multiple students have the same introduction, so it will not be a plus point for you. So you must prepare your introduction very different from others. Now the second most important thing is that your project. This is the key point that all the students might fear of this, because this is the most important point. And the interviewer will cross question do on the projects. Like this is the most important point. Like your project, this is like heart of your all the interview. Like you have to give this very well manner. Like how should you give your introduction of your project? Like in a flow. I will take all the 6 points that you should mention in your project introduction. Like firstly, tell the title of your project. What is the title of your project? Like the title of my project is a legal advisor app that connects the user with the professional advocates. Like this is the title. After that, give the motivation. What motivation you have been taken for creating this project? Like motivation. Like we have taken a motivation like people not able to find the advocates whenever they are in the new cities. So our app aims to create such a project that make a legal advisor, consultation more reliable. So this is the somewhat inspiration from our project. After that, tell the technology stack, like what languages you have used, what frameworks you have used. Like if you have app development project, like on which framework you have done, like Flutter or React, like whatever the framework you have used, and this thing you have to tell in your technology stack. Like after that, what languages, etc. Tell in your introduction. After that, this is the third point. Like firstly is your title, then inspiration, then technology stack, and fourth is like what you have done in your project. Like it is an individual project or a team project. If it is an individual project, so then no need to say about what you have done. Like in the flow you can tell that. But if you are a team, like it is a team of 4 or what, tell firstly like we have a team member of 4 and I have done this project. Like in my project I have worked upon the databases, how to create the databases. I have done the database using the CRUD operation, like perform some security operation like SQL injection, prevent attack of SQL injection, like that you have to tell. And after that, the 5th point is that you have to tell the flow of your project. Like firstly, like our project is that we have created a login page, then user can visit our app, then he can fill his information, then he will search on the search menu, like that. You have to give the flow of your project. Like the interviewer must know like how your project is working. In that manner, you have to give the full flow of your project. Like within a 4 to 5 minutes, in a short, you have to give a flow of your program in a very short manner. So this is a very brief. Like it will help interviewer to understand like how now it's a very good project and you have done something. After that, give the conclusion of your project to the interviewer. So it will it will feel interviewer. So conclusion, after that, after the conclusion, it was the very important for it to give a conclusion to the interviewer, so it may understand the user like, okay, you have done something. Okay, so this is all about your project. How can you give the project? So I have also prepared some answers. So if you are not joined our Telegram channel, I will share the link of the this project. Like I have prepared the answer to you on our Telegram channel. So must join the Telegram channel. I have given the link on our description of this channel. And I want to add some more thing, like whenever students give their project description, so they lag at time, like saying about this point. So I want to add one more thing to your project, is that please prepare your project firstly. Like all the things you have to need it, like what to tell interviewer, how can you tell, what style you will apply to telling your project description to the interviewer. Please prepare by self. Like whenever you are preparing, it will help you to deliver your content to the interviewer very well manner. If you are unprepared, it will a very loss point for you. Like you are not able to talk in front of the interviewer, and most of the things will be vanished from your head. Okay, like it happens most of the time. Like if you are prepared also, then most of the things get vanished from your mind. So be prepared, prepared in front of mirrors. Like practice in a day 4 to 5 times. Give introduction, like give a open camera, like that I am talking to this manner. So give a open camera introduction to yourself. Give any your friend, like tell him to take your introduction. Like all the things you have to do. So this will be helpful for you to deliver your project description, whether it's an introduction to the interviewer very well manner. Now after talk like HR question. What are the HR question the interviewer asked you? The first most famous HR question, like what are your strengths and weaknesses? So you have to give you can give 2 strengths and 2 weaknesses in the answers. Firstly, prepare your strength. Like your strengths are very reliable. Like you have to give the interviewer should relate with your strength. Like yes, this is the student. Like we have also faced some strength like that. So this will be reliable. Like my strengths are like I have a good communication skill. I can convey my message to the clients. I have also worked as a social media manager, so I have a experience of dealing with clients. Like that, it will show, like give an example, like it will show the interview that you have really done and something overcome, and you have the strength. Like you have to give the answer in that manner. I am also team leader. Like I have also handled in the GDSC club. We have I am a head of public relation team. So this is also giving a plus point to you. A team leader at inter college smart data hackathon, also a core team member at project competition. This is all the example showing that I have done some I have done some things as a team leader. Also in future I am going to give a collaboration with an IIT Roper. I am also leading a team with that one of my friend. So these are the example that will help you to it has been saying that you are a team leader and has giving some examples, and this has been showing to interviewer like you have done something and you are act as a team leader. So these are the thing, like prepare your own answer. Don't copy from others. If you are copying from others, prepare your own answer also. Like it will help to the interviewer to distinguish all from other to you. Okay, prepare your own answer in that manner. Now talking about the weaknesses. Please tell your weaknesses in such a manner that it could be your strength. Like my weaknesses, like sometimes I underestimate myself. But things like whenever I try to switch on the problem, whatever the problem happening here, whatever the situation, I'm dealing with the situation. Like at that time I got some self-confidence thing. Like I have started self-talking with the mirror, watching podcasts like Raj Shamani, Prakhar Ke Pravachan, also Finance with Sharam. This has helped me a lot to boost my self-confidence. And these are the things you have to tell to the interviewer so that it can be relate with you. And you should turn your weaknesses into strength. Never tell your weaknesses as such as manner. Please please convert your weakness into the strength. Like you have to tell like how you overcome your weaknesses and how you have turned your weaknesses to the strength. Now you can give a second weaknesses. Like my second weakness is I was a very shy and introvert person, like up to my 12th standard. But after that, how I have covered all the things, like how I become a person who can convey my message to the people, how I communicate with the people, like that. The content creation has helped me a lot to improve my shyness. Like I was a very introvert person, but this content creation has helped me a lot to overcome this. Like in this manner, you have to tell all the question like strength and weaknesses to the interviewer. After that, interviewer asks you question like, why do you want to join our company? So you have to give the answer in a very well manner. Like prepare your, I'm repeatedly saying one thing is that prepare your own answer. Like interviewer should relate that you are a very unique person and like you are prepared your own answer. So he should feel like that, yes, this person has prepared his own answer and he has gone through the situation. We have to give like why do you want to join Accenture. You have to tell like this is the very good opportunity. Like for Accenture, I will tell you the like how we can give the answer. Like so, Accenture is a very good company, and it provides a very good opportunity and also finds a new talent. And this company always expanding and always looking for the brightest and best mind. So working in such a company also provides me the good environment, good working professional, along with working with a diverse team, and this will be very helpful for me for my personal and professional goal. In like that manner, you can give the answer. This is not a proper, but I am not able to recall at the time whole answer. But you can prepare like in such manner. Okay. After that question, like are you willing to relocate? So in that manner you have to give the answer like search from Google, like wherever your answer is present. I will also share the PDF of answers in my Telegram channel. So how should you give a answer like to how to relocate? Firstly, you have to tell the interviewer like if I found a good opportunity and it is also helpful for my long term goal, and it also helpful for my personal and professional growth, so I will make a move. But if I am currently doing my job, so I will giving a priority to my firstly my work. Like I will do all, like I will simplify all the factors, like is it a very well manner for, is the job is very helpful for me, it is helpful for me to for my long term goals. So if it is all factors I am like I am feeling good, so I will not make a move. But if the factors are not making for good for me, so I will take a move. So in like manner you have to prepare your answer. Now talking about some other question also, like HR will give you a situation like you are a team of 4 members, and like tell me like in your team the 2 members, the conflict happens between your 2 members. So how will you deal the situation? You have to tell the answer in that manner also. Like firstly you will understand the point of views of both the candidate. Like after that you will listen the what are the situation, what are the points of view of both the candidate. After that you will make an answer and give your biased decision. Like you will be neutral on the both the decision, and after that you will tell them like what is the goal of our team. Like we have to achieve some goal, and I will tell all that manner. So he will convince like that. So you have to give the answer in like that manner. So it will be a very helpful for you and your interviewer too. And some question also asked by interviewer like tell me any situation where you feel like challenging. What is the challenging situation? Like that question also interviewer might ask to you. Like he will ask you to like tell any memory from your past that you have faced challenges. Like some also question are like that tell me your most like boring subject you have in your like in your academics. Like which subject you don't like such a subject you have to tell about the subject. So like cross questioning also happen here. Like so like some of the like I have watched the interview, like he tell I don't like the electronic subject. So he told the client that if your project is based on IoT, so how can you deal with such a situation? So he has told that like I'm currently now working on the IoT project, so I have good skills on that project. So you have to turn the answer in like that manner. So these are the HR question that the interviewer asked to you, not more than that. बाकी जो oops वगैरह के concept होते हैं, these are less likely to be asked, but you should prepare your oops concept too, like a polymorphism, encapsulation, inheritance. Like that question it will ask by the interviewer, not more hard like questions. It will not more than hard. Like you have to give the answers with the example, like what is encapsulation, so give the answer with an example, real world example. What is polymorphism, give it to the example, like with the example give the answer of the question. After that, most important thing is the company related question. Interviewer can be asked you to like company related question, like who is the CEO of the Accenture. Like currently the CEO is a Jolly Sweet. Who are the founders of the company? Like founders are Arthur Anderson and Clarence I don't remember. I think Clarence Candley. Okay, Clarence Candley. This is the name of their founders, and how and whenever the company was founded, like 1989, the company was founded. It has like 7,74,000 plus employees. It has been in the multiple countries. Like you have to tell all the like question to the interviewer, so that interviewer will know you have done some pretty good research about the company, and this will be a very plus point for you. And so okay. This is all about like your introduction, your project, your company related question. Now the most important thing is that how to be confident in front of interviewer. So you must be confident in front of interviewer. This is the most important thing. Like interviewer should feel that you are the confident person that giving the interview. Like he should feel like the candidate has a very, like he is a very powerful person. Like you have to give a feeling to the interviewer like that. Must talk in a very confident manner. Practice your interview questions in front of mirror, so it will help you to boost your confidence. Try to speak in English multiple times. Most of the student has a question that they are not able to talk in English. Like I am also not able to talk in English, but I am trying to speak. Like this content creation has helped me a lot to improve my English. So you must try like that. Talk in front of camera, talk in front of mirror. So improve your English. Practice as much as you can your introduction portion. Also, you can open your laptop camera and also try to practice on that laptop camera. So it will helpful for you because the practice is most important. Will play a role here. This is most important thing. Many students got rejected here because of lack communication. They are not able to talk in front of interview. Most of the thing like they forget some things, like how to talk in front of interviewer, and this actually happens with you also. It will happen, but if you practice previously very well, so it will not be happen to you. You have to practice at that level. Practice 10 to 20 times a day for your interview. Like practice the question, talk in front of mirror, talk in front of camera. This is most important thing. Now I will give some interview experience to you. Like most of the candidates, what they do, they get a very panic at the time of interview. Like they are not able to recall any question. They are not able to talk in front of the interviewer really well manner. And this very bad point for you. But interviewer try to make you comfort. Like he will ask you the question related to your family members. Like you get free. Then he move towards the technical questions like oops question, like HR question, your project. So be prepared, and something like the HR the interviewer sometimes can ask you the technical question too, but it is not really happen because most of the interviews are 10 to 20 minutes long. So if he will give you a coding question, so it will take 10 to 15 minutes too. So less chances, but be prepared. कुछ भी हो सकता है इंटरव्यू में. So this is all about this video. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends who need the video mostly. So thank you. Bye bye.